If you want to speak Portuguese like a Brazilian, you've got to learn some slang. First off, legal. Legal stems from the word law, but it's most commonly used as cool. So if a friend asks, tudo legal? You can simply reply, sim, tudo legal. And if you see an awesome costume at the carnival, you can point and say, que legal! However, if a friend asks you what you think of Brazil, sure, you can answer legal. But you're more likely to shout out, o Brasil é lindo e maravilhoso, because that's what you're gonna think, I promise you. Okay, next one, beleza. Beleza literally means beauty, but it's mostly used to show agreement, like awesome or lovely. Vamos pra praia amanhã? Do you wanna go to the beach tomorrow? Beleza, te encontro às 3. Awesome, I'll meet you at 3. Both legal and beleza are commonly used on the streets. Knowing them will take you a big step closer to being a part of the Brazilian culture.